Now we are going to discuss the slicing. Okay, now whenever you store any of the string like this, if I am taking a equals to programs, it will be stored in a computer like this. The order will be from 0 to 7 left to right and minus 1 to 8 right to left. Now if we want to extract some part of the string, then we have to take the help of slicing. It is also called a substring. Okay, now the syntax for this one is n colon m, that means first index number from where you want to start, and then the second index number, but it will not include m, that is it will be m minus 1. Okay, remember it will be m minus 1. Then if you do the slicing for any of the character, then it will return the things like, if you are using 0 colon 7, the answer will be here program. Why? Because from 0 it will start and it will move till 6. It is not including the last index number, that is why till 6. Similarly, if we are going for 0 4, then it will be from 0 to where 3, not 4, that is why G. Similarly, you can check other answers. In this one, the 3 colon 3 is 4. It will not move till 4, so only 3 index number will be extracted, and that will be a substring. Here it is G. Again, minus 8 to minus 4. It will start from starting index number minus 8 and the ending is minus 4. So it will not move till the minus 4. So it will take it till minus 5. That is why the output is like this. Similarly, minus 6 to minus 1. Now you can calculate yourself. Start with minus 6 and move till minus 2. It will not include the minus 1. Now, if the beginning index number is missing last or missing any of these, so different example. In this one, the first one is missing, so the default value will be considered as 0 for the beginning index number and the answer will be programs. Similarly, this one, last value is missing, then the default value will be length minus 1. So it will start from 3 and move till the 7. The whole will be taken. Okay, the total number of character is what here? Total number of character is 8. So the length is 8. That is why I told L minus 1, that is the length minus 1. So it will move from third index till the end index. Now if you are writing like this, similarly, now you can find the answer yourself, 6 and 7 index number. Now the second step, when you have to also give the step value, like in this one, the 1 is representing a starting index number, 7 is the ending index number, and 2 is the step value here. If you will write like this, then it will start taking the values from 1 and move after leaving 1, then step value is 2 is required, so 1 plus 2, that is it will move to 3, then 3 to 5 like this, and then if it 5 to 7, but it has to not move till 7, that is why only it will take the 3 values, that is R, G and A. Now in this one, from minus 1 to minus 8 and the step value is 3, minus 1 will be the first value, so the first one is P, and then you have to move 3 steps, minus 1 to 3 steps, that is minus 5. So next value is minus 5, and then it will be from minus 5 you have to move 3 steps, 1 2 3. So 3 step is what? M. So it is P, G and M. Again similarly, if we are moving like this, it is beginning index number is not given, default value will be taken, last index number is not given, default value will be taken, that is the length minus 1, and then step is minus 2. As we are taking the step is minus 2, so it will start from the back. If we are taking step value 2, positive step value, then it will start from 0, move till length minus 1. Okay, but here we are taking minus 2, that means we are going to start from the backward. If we are going to start from a backward, then the first default value will be minus 1. Okay, if we are moving from right to left, positive value forward movement, negative value, backward movement. For the backward one, the first value is, default value is -1, and here it is minus len -1. Okay, then it will start from this one. So first value will be then -2, that means 1 and 2. So -3, again -2 due to this one, 1, 2. So again value will be this, then 1, 2, again value will be this. Like this we are doing. The important point is this: when the step value is negative, you have to move from right to left, and when it is positive, we have to move from left to right. On the basis of the step value, negative or positive, the compiler decide that what will be the default value if the starting and the ending index number is missing. Okay, now after this is the same type of example. Now you can solve it yourself. What do you have to do? Now the another one, indexes. Suppose that if we are having a variable, here I am taking not the program, I am discussing it with the welcome. If I am having a welcome and then we are writing 7, as you can calculate, there is no 7 index number. It will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, only 6. That means 7 is out of bound. Okay? In that case, if you are writing, it will give error. Why? Because the 7th index number is not present. You cannot pick a data from the 7th index number. But if you, the same thing you will do in the slicing, like we are starting with the 4, but we are ending here on 9. As you can see, we are not having a 9 index number in this one. If we are not having a 9 index number in this one, then what happened? It will not create an error. It will result the value. It will start from 4. Okay, it will start from 4 value, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth value, and move till the end. When the ending index number is not present in the index numbers of string, then it will move till the last one by default. That means it will take the value of the last index number as length -1 by default. Similarly, here also I am giving 0 to 20. 20 is more easier to understand, as 20 you can understand. There is only how many words? 4 words. 20 is not index number of this welcome, but even then it is giving us a correct output. So from this we can conclude that if you are giving a invalid starting number or the ending number, then by default it will consider it as 0 and the length -1. So this is all about the slicing, different example. Revise it.